Hey there, and welcome to our tutorial on how to set up overtime and pay rules in Connecteam. Before we dive into the setup, let's quickly understand the difference between overtime and pay rules. Overtime increases pay when employees work beyond standard hours, like working more than 8 hours in a day. Pay rules, on the other hand, add extra pay for specific situations, such as working on Christmas or during night shifts. Let's set these both up. Head to the time clock settings, click on the Overtime and Pay Rules tab, and select Add New. Now, name your rule and add a code if needed. For the rule type, choose between overtime or additional hourly rate. With overtime, set the multiplier for the employee's base wage, like 1.5 per hour. With additional hours, enter the amount to add per hour to the base wage. Now let's add a condition to determine when your rule applies. Let's look at the different types you can select from. Daily conditions set rules for hours worked per day, like X1, 5 after 8 hours, Monday through Friday. You can even layer multiple daily rules such as X2 after 10 hours. Weekly conditions apply rules based on weekly hours, such as plus 20 per hour dollar after 40 hours. Pay period conditions set rules for hours worked within a pay period, like overtime after 60 hours. Partial day conditions create rules for specific time periods, such as night shift rates between 21 o'clock and 1 o'clock. Consecutive days apply rules when employees work multiple days in a row, like extra pay after the 5th consecutive day. Holiday rules set special rates for specific dates, such as double pay on December 31st, with the option to repeat annually. In addition, you can combine conditions using and/or options. Choose or to apply only the highest rate, or and to combine multiple rules. This gives you the flexibility to handle any pay scenario. Important to remember, each rate multiplier, like X15, can only be used once. You can either edit the existing rules conditions or use a different multiplier. Finally, let's see how this appears in your employee timesheets. Go to the Timesheets tab and open an employee timesheet. You'll find your overtime policies listed on the right, where the breakdown of the hours appears. Simply hover over any overtime entry to see exactly which conditions triggered it. That's it for today. Thank you for joining us. For further assistance, feel free to use our Help Center anytime.